OnePlus has officially confirmed that they are launching the OnePlus 9 series on March 23rd. This time, rumors and leaks suggest that the company will be launching 3 phones instead of the usual 2. The possible naming of the cheaper version of the phone is OnePlus 9R or OnePlus 9E, while the other phones will be OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, sticking to their usual naming scheme. However, it is not sure from the leak sources that the lower budget phone might be launched along with the other 2. When it comes to specifications, a company which started as a flagship killer with high-end hardware will be sticking to those high standards, hopefully. The rumored specs are Snapdragon 888 SoC, up to 12GB of RAM, up to 256GB of storage, 65W wired fast charging, 45W wireless fast charging, 4500 mAh battery, and dual stereo speaker setup. I am not talking about the cameras here because it needs an entire section of its own. This has been a weak point for OnePlus ever since its inception. Don't get me wrong, it does capture good photographs. I still own the OnePlus 5 and here are some images that I captured using it. Given that the pricing of the phones is nearing in on the big names of the smartphone world, the expectations from the camera are also high. OnePlus has partnered with Hasselblad for camera technology. The camera sensors will be from Sony as usual, with the OnePlus 9 Pro most likely getting the IMX789 sensor. However, I am not sure whether the 9 will have the same sensor as well. We might see a repetition of what OnePlus did with the 8 and 8 Pro here. The camera module will have a quad camera setup. According to Tipster team, I hope I pronounced it correct, the camera setup on the OnePlus 9 Pro will be a front 16 megapixel IMX471 camera for selfies. Rear camera setup will be a main 48 megapixel IMX789 sensor, 50 megapixel IMX766 fixed focal length sensor, 8 megapixel 3.3x telephoto lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. It has come to a point where having a charger included is something of a feature in a phone, which I honestly do not understand. Most of the people who are upgrading will be selling their old phones, which means the charger as well. So no, it's not going to reduce any carbon footprint like some companies claim. Anyway, Pete Lau, OnePlus CEO, has confirmed that they will include a charger with the OnePlus 9 series. The display size of the OnePlus 9 Pro is supposedly 6.7 inches and the 9 being 6.55 inches, both having 120Hz Fluid AMOLED panel. There you have it guys, these are the rumors and leaks so far. Now we'll have to wait for the launch event on March 23rd. Thank you for watching, see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and stay safe.